This is the plane of Hafza. Very good. Who's next? This is the plane of Hamza. Wow. Okay. Here we go. Okay, you guys show me here, both of you. This is the model, the final plane look. And this is Abigail. Wow. I like actually more this one. You know, the base is very nice. I love it. The brown and the gray combination. The base. Good. Hello kids. Today all of us going to learn how to make paper aeroplane, right? Hamza, where are you? You are not in the camera. Yes. Hamza, where did you go? You always like that. So now I will make one type of paper aeroplane, alright? Then you will watch it, and then every one of your each assignment that you will make your own paper aeroplane, and then you will color, right? Everybody understand?
Yeah.
Say loudly.
Yes.
Yes, I want to hear it. The kids sound, the sound of kids. So once again, do you understand?
Yeah.
Okay, so here we go. Okay? Yes. So everybody is holding their A4 size paper.
Yeah.
All right. So here we go. How to make the paper aeroplane, right?
Yeah.
So we will once again we will make every one of us aeroplane, and then we will make our own colors,
Yeah.
right? So here we go. So we have already this A4 size Hamza, Marlo, Hafza, and Abigail, right? So we have to give the center line first. So make all the way here to make the center line. Okay, Hamza, it's better you will put on the desk itself, so it will help you. Okay. So once it's done,
Yeah.
okay, then we will take this corner all the way, and here you have the line, the pressing line, right? So you will stop over here and turn the paper all the way and parallel to the line, the pressing line. Okay, then you will take your one right hand finger and all the way to press it. Okay, finish.
Yeah.
Then the second one also you will lift it up, and the same procedure you will do it again and press it gently. Done?
Yeah.
Okay. Marlo is very fast. Hamza, hurry up. Now, Hamza, where are you? You will turn this one all the way downward, connect the nozzle to the center line, align it, okay, and then gently press it. Okay. Now here, this point, you wanted to give different shapes to the nozzle itself. You want to give the sharp nozzle, you want to give the wider nozzle, that's your choice.
Like this?
Yeah. Yes, Hamza. Okay, yes, Hamza, very good. Then you will pull this corner up all the way to the up. I'm going to make a little bit wider nose, okay? So here you will press it gently. Yeah, Hamza, very good. And then from the other side, the same, corner to corner. Okay, wait, Hamza, just 1 second, please. Okay, here. Hamza, wait, I did not align it. Yes. Okay, now you can press it all the way here, okay? So now you have this small triangle. This is just like your log. So you will log and hold all the way up to prevent these two corners, your triangle, not to pull out. So this is the log. Now this you have the shape. Now all the way out you will fold it, okay, and then press it all the way, this one to press it, okay. Okay, here we did it. Then we will pull this paper, and this line, you can watch it, this one here, look, and the top line, they should be parallel. Okay, then press it all the way here down. Okay, so I get a proper shape of this, the base of the plane. Then okay, all the way to the other side you will repeat again, and just try maximum from your side that you will leave everything balanced. Both side is balanced. Look at this one, it's a perfect shape of the plane, right? Wow, that, yes, I will give it to this Hafza. Hafza, now we have our own plane. Let's start for the coloring. Okay, everybody is coloring?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Who will do the best color? He's gonna get something. Wow, what you will get? Gain? Okay, I will help you. Okay.
Take them breaking colors.
Hafsa, she's very good in coloring, right?
Yeah.
Okay, very good, excellent.
Look at that coloring drawing.
This is Hamza. Hamza, what are you doing? Which color are you gonna put it? Okay, thank you. Are we here where we have reached? Okay, this is very good. And how about this Marlo? Wow, that's good. Okay, keep going, no problem. This is Hamza. Hamza, what are you doing? Which color are you gonna put it? Sounds good. Are we here where we have reached? Okay, see, very good. And how about this Marlo?
Yeah, where are you?
Wow, that's good. Okay, keep going, no
I'm
problem.
running. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Actually, I'm supposed to give you some time. Finish the task, right? Okay.
So, when you finish
Next time, if there is any project, there will be certain times to be finished on time, right, Hamza? Right, Hamza? All right. I believe that Marlo, he has finished, right, Marlo?
Yeah.
Yeah, Marlo has done. Okay. Marlo, just keep your plane aside and just wait for the other people other children to finish. Okay, and then we will have a look, close-up look of each airplane color. I believe that Marlo, he has finished, right, Marlo?
shoot in the air.
Yeah,
We
Marlo
will
has
see
done.
how it's gonna fly.
Okay.
Alright?
Marlo, just
Hafsa is brilliant. I love it.
Just wait for
Colors like
other
rainbow,
people
right?
other children to finish.
My
Okay, and then we will have a look,
Right.
close up look
And,
of
here we
each
go.
aeroplane color, and then
Right.
we will shoot in the air. We will see how it's gonna fly.
You are always
Right.
very late. Last
Alright,
time you
okay.
had too much.
So, Hamza, how much time do you need?
Very good, right?
Oh my god, bravo. Color of
But she's good.
Hafsa is
Once
brilliant.
it is
I
finished,
love it.
it is
So
finished,
many
right,
colors
Hamza?
like rainbow, right?
All right.
my queen.
Okay.
Which is the girl.
Yes, Abigail, you are done?
Abigail, where are you?
All right. Okay.
All
here
right.
is
Marlo, put your plane down so I can see in the camera itself. Abigail, where is your plane? Put it down also parallel to each other. And yes, I forgot. Everybody put their own names on the plane itself so we can recognize, right?
Name?
Yeah, so you must write your initial signature or anything which will show that it belongs to so and so. Okay. Abza, did you write your name on the plane?
No.
No? Okay.
I put
Write it.
my name on both sides of the
All right, all right, all right, all right.
Abigail. All right. And Marlo, put your hands to the up. I cannot. Okay.
Lily.
Sorry.
Abigail.
Okay. Marlo, what?
A.
A. And next?
Bunny kid.
Thank you. Okay, very
Bunny
good.
kid.
How about you, Hamza? Can I have a look? Okay. Here. Hamza. Very good. Okay. So all, I hope everybody is done. So we will go outside in the open area and we will gonna test our aeroplanes. Hamza, are you ready? Now, all of us here right now. So we wanna test it our aeroplane, the paper aeroplane. Okay. So everybody just make a little bit distance, and they will fly in the same direction. Okay. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we will test it here. See, look. 1, 2, 3. This is a Hafsa. Wow. Okay, Marlo. This is Marlo plane. 1, 2, 3. Oh my God, Marlo is going all the way. This is Abigail. Abigail is look like a glider. Okay. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Oh my goodness. And this is for the Hamza. Not bad. Hamza, we will see where it will go. Hamza, what do you think?
There.
Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Why? It's juggling. It's juggling in the air. It's not bad. Okay, children, it's good job. Together. Yes. Who's this team? You're not allowed. Next time you will join us. Okay. We will enroll you. Okay. Now, Hafsa, look at here. So, our audience, they will let us know whose job is good, and they will give us the below comments. All right.
Yeah.
So thumbs up, everybody. Thumbs up.
Yeah.
So, who is going to like and subscribe my channel?
Me.
Me. Okay? Yalla. Okay, children, thank you so much. So, inshallah, we will be coming very soon with a new project, with a new assignment, with new fun. All right? So, once again, everybody take their planes and all together blow in the air. All right. Yalla. 1, 2, 3. Wow, my goodness.
I'm far away.
Thank you. Bye bye. We'll see you next time. This is coming good. I'm in the picture.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be hit here, okay?
Yeah.